to fix this problem on the screen right here. So as you guys can see, if your game is keep crashing on Marvel Rivals, in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix that. So at first I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on Epic Games, then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on Steam. So what you have to do firstly, just send and close this. Then once you do that, you're gonna open Epic Games. Then once you're in Epic Games, you're gonna go to Library. Then once you're in Library, you're gonna click on Marvel Rivals and click on Manage, then click on Verify Files. So what verifying does is this basically fixes most of your problems, so your game shouldn't crash because they're basically putting all the updated files in your files. So you're gonna have to click on the three dots again, click on Manage, then you're gonna have to click on Installation, and you should have this file right here where it said Open Installation Location. Open that. Now from here you're gonna have to scroll down till you find Marvel Rival Launcher. Right click it. Now from here you're gonna click on Security. Then once you're in security, you have to click on this option right here where it says to change permission, click edit. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click allow for every single one. I'll click on OK. Now you're just gonna close this. Click on Epic Launch Helper. Click on Properties. Click on Security again. Click on Edit. Click on Allow for this ones too. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now you're gonna come back to Epic Games, open Marvel Rivals, and your game should be fixed. Thank you for watching the video. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.